Hey guys, it's Dee and I'm back again with two amazing Ackee recipes. So I've partnered with the lovely, amazing Tropical Sun to create these two Ackee recipes in a very non-traditional way. Ackee is the national dish of Jamaica and it's traditionally served with saltfish and fried dumpling, but today I'm making an Ackee and Samphire Quiche, and I'm going to do a lovely courgette rose on top, and I'll show you how to do that. And I'm also going to make an Ackee vanilla baked cheesecake. So the first step is going to be roasting some cherry tomatoes, and this is actually going to go inside of the quiche filling with the Ackee and the silken tofu. And something really special happens when you roast tomatoes, especially in butter or olive oil, partnered with some nutritional yeast. It's going to create that eggy flavour for the quiche. Start by chopping up 10 cherry tomatoes and mixing with 1 tablespoon of melted vegan butter and seasoning with salt and pepper. Roast at 180 degrees Celsius for 15 minutes and then set aside. Roll out shop-bought, vegan-friendly short crust pastry to fit your tin. Use your rolling pin to place your pastry into the tart tin. With your hands, gently ensure that the pastry is covering the entire base and leave extra pastry hanging off so that you can trim it once it's blind baked. Prick the bottom of the pastry, ensuring you don't go all the way through, and then place some parchment paper and baking beans inside of the pastry. Chop a small shallot or a small red onion and 1 clove of garlic. Place a couple tablespoons of olive oil in a frying pan on a medium heat and saute your onion and garlic with a pinch of salt for a couple of minutes until the onions and garlic have sweated out. Add 50 grams of Samphire to the frying pan and continue to fry for another 2 minutes. Add your roasted tomato, a packet of drained silken tofu, 2 tablespoons of nutritional yeast, 2 tablespoons of gram flour. Add all of the seasonings, 280 grams of Ackee, and then blend until smooth. Using a vegetable peeler, peel lengthways to create some courgette ribbons. Take the blind baked pastry case and add the sauteed samphire and onions, and then pour on the Ackee quiche filling. Starting from the middle and working your way outwards, create a courgette rose as demonstrated below. Drizzle with a little bit of olive oil on top of the quiche and then place into an oven at 180 degrees Celsius for 45 to 50 minutes. So that's my Ackee Samphire Quiche. I hope you enjoy it.